Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I have a question for you. Don't you just hate it when you're watching your favorite YouTuber and then you come across that dreaded buffering sign? I think your answer is yes. We all do. So that's why in today's video, we're gonna talk about it. Many users experience YouTube buffering every day, and that's why I'm about to introduce you to a software called Wondershare Repair It that's about to resolve all that YouTube buffering for you. But before we get into it, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also tell us in the comments below if your YouTube keeps buffering as well. If so, let's get into the good stuff. Now, before we get on the fixes, let's first understand why your videos keep buffering on YouTube. And there's several reasons for it. So let's look into them. Reason number 1, slow or unstable internet connection. I think this might be the most obvious and probably the main cause for your YouTube buffering. Because on a stable internet connection, your device is always downloading the segments ahead of time, which is indicated by the gray line on the YouTube playback. So if you are experiencing some interruptions, that means that your internet speed cannot keep up with downloading the segments ahead. This is why you experience the buffering. Reason number 2, device performance issues. If your device doesn't have enough processing power or memory, it can definitely slow your playback, especially on high quality videos. And since most devices always have processes and apps in the background, having a low processing power or low RAM can interfere with YouTube's ability to play your videos smoothly. Reason number 3, high resolution. While you probably want to watch your YouTube videos at the highest quality possible, perhaps your internet speed cannot handle that same resolution. Reason number 4, YouTube servers. YouTube is one of the most visited websites in all of the internet, which means there's millions of users accessing its videos on its servers at any given time. So when there's spikes on its servers, it can actually overload them and cause buffering issues to its users. Reason number 5, outdated graphics card. The graphics card is supposed to handle the operations for graphics, video, and animation. So when its drivers are old or faulty, the video performance can suffer, which then leads to the buffering. If your YouTube videos keep stuttering or buffering, then you are in the right place. Because I will show you the best ways and solutions for you to resolve this buffering and get your videos run again smoothly. Method number 1, check your internet speed and network connection. The most common reason for your YouTube buffering is an unstable internet connection. So you should check how stable it is and then check the next steps. Let's open your browser and search for speed test. You are going to see many options for internet speed testers. The one I like to use is called speedcheck.org. Click on the link to open the web page and click on the Start Test. Give it some time to check your internet speed, and this will give you your internet connection upload and download speeds. Now, for standard YouTube videos, you need at least 3 megabytes per second. For HD videos, 5 megabytes per second. And for 4K videos, you need a minimum of 25 megabytes per second. If your speed is too low, try resetting your router or contact your internet provider for help. Method number 2, check your browser settings. There's a chance that the browser you're using might be causing the issues. So if you are using Google Chrome, you should try following these steps. Let's start by updating Google Chrome. To do this, open Chrome, then click on the 3 dots in the top right. Then click on Help and select About Google Chrome. It will automatically check for updates. It is also important to clear cache and cookies, as it can help resolve YouTube buffering issues by removing outdated or corrupted files that might be slowing down the video loading process. To do this, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then go to Settings. Then scroll down the side menu, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Now check the cached image files and cookies and change the time range to all the time. Then click on Clear Data. Method number 3, update your graphics card drivers. Outdated graphics card can slow down the processing time of images and videos, which then leads to the buffering. So let's take a look how you can update them. Let's right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Now expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics card. Click on Update Driver, then select Search Automatically for updated driver software. Once updated, restart your computer and check if the buffering is fixed. Method number 4, enable or disable hardware acceleration. The purpose of your hardware acceleration is to ensure the smooth running of your videos, but turning it on or off can sometimes help your YouTube buffering. Let's open Chrome and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner, then click on Settings. Now on the left-hand menu, choose System, then toggle graphics acceleration on or off from whatever your setting is, and then restart Chrome to apply changes. Try this and see if it helps to stop the buffering. Method number 5, download YouTube videos. If none of the previously mentioned methods worked for you, then your last resort is to download your YouTube videos. Now, these videos can be downloaded using some third-party applications or some official ones from YouTube, such as YouTube Premium. By now, we've seen all of the main reasons of why your YouTube keeps buffering, but also some good fixes to resolve this. But let's say that you still have this problem after downloading a YouTube video, or that you have a locally saved file that is glitchy, corrupt, or unplayable. Now what? The good news is that even severely damaged videos in the formats of MP4, MOV, and more can actually get repaired. And the wonderful software called Wondershare Repair It is amazing to get this done. Now I will guide you through how you can use this software and get your videos playing smoothly once again. Let's start by visiting the official Wondershare website by following the link in the description. There's an option to download softwares for Windows and macOS, so choose accordingly. Today we'll be choosing the Windows version because I'm using a Windows device. Download it and follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. After installing, the Wondershare Repair It will launch itself. Click on Start Now to start using the tool. And if it doesn't start automatically, click on the icon that will appear on your desktop and simply double-click it to open the tool. Don't worry, this step is the same for Mac and Windows users, so no confusion there. Now, after opening the software, it is time to add the video that's causing the trouble. And to do this, click on the Add the Corrupted Video button on the interface and then add your video. Now it's time for the magic. After adding your video successfully, click on Repair at the bottom right and the software will get to work analyzing the problem and also fixing it. Once the repair process is complete, a small pop-up will appear. Just click OK and here comes the cool part. You can preview the video to see if everything is fixed before saving it. Additionally, if your corrupted video is less than 3 GB, then you are free to skip this download altogether. Just access the website at Wondershare Repair It Online Video Repair and then upload your video and let the tool do the rest. Free, fast, and no installation needed. And there you have it, folks. Now you have all you need to fix those YouTube buffering issues and repair those downloaded videos that do not want to play. Try Wondershare Repair It today to fix those corrupted video files. If this video helped you out, do not forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any future tech tips from Wondershare. Got a question or your own solution to share? Then I suggest that you drop it in the comments below. Let's start a little discussion there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.